matapos naging kampeyon sa Philippines Boxing Federation Bantamweight Division at nakakuha ng siyam na impresibong panalo dito sa Pilipinas at nagkaroon ng pagkakataon ang batang boksingero ni Manny Pacquiao, si Joseph Ambo ng Cagayan de Oro, na makipagsabayan sa international stage. Binansagang Scorpion dahil sa matulis at malalakas niyang suntok, bitbit ni Ambo ang record na siyam na panalo, kung saan 7 rito ay knockout victories. Sa lakas ng kanyang ipinakita, nabigyan siya ng pagkakataong lumaban sa Amerika. Dito, nakaharap niya ang pambato ni Floyd Mayweather Jr. at kasama sa paghahasa nito si Floyd Mayweather Sr. Nasabi nila noong na malakas pa ito kay Gervonta Tank Davis at Davin Haney. Ito ay ang undefeated American prospect na si Darren Cunningham. Si Cunningham ay may 13 panalo. 7 ito ay knockout. Itinuturing future world champion ng magamang Mayweather. Hindi ito madaling laban para kay Ambo. Si Cunningham ang itinuturing na pinakamalakas na boksingero sa Mayweather Boxing Academy, kaya naman sobrang dehado ang ating Pinoy. Dahil sa labis na kumpiyansa, tumaya pa ng $2 milyong si Floyd Mayweather Jr. sa kanyang alaga. Ang bakbakan ay naganap sa Cosmopolitan Decatur, Georgia, USA. Halika mga boxing fans, ating balikan kung paano pinabagsak ng Pinoy ng 4 na beses ang bata ni Floyd Mayweather. Sa pagbungad ng round 1, si Ambo ay nakasuot ng black trunks, habang si Cunningham naman ay nakaputi. Parehong orthodox ang kanilang stance.
Right about now, the action is being pushed right
big
now.
left hand.
Shit. My
Sa kalagitnaan ng round, isang matinding suntok mula kay Ambo ang nagpatumba kay Cunningham. Ngunit nakatayo pa ito matapos ang bilang ng referee.
Was it a flash? Is going to be the question. Whether he's hurt, he doesn't appear to be. But it was a violent fall.
We got some trouble in Little
Saved by the
China.
ropes. Really hit me, yes.
Oh my God, he's got a big cut.
Oh, yeah.
Cut right now. Oh my God, the best thing that
Darren-
can happen is that the doctor stops it. Let's be real.
No. Darren is still full.
The bad
Bro,
is
let's see
above
if
the
that corner has a
brow.
good cut, man.
Oh,
Another right hand.
Catches him. Down. I didn't see his knee touch, but he did look hurt.
Oh,
Nah,
man.
that was definitely a knockdown, guys.
Was it?
It's
He's on his way to.
He's got to relax. EC3 in trouble.
The blood is opened up. The cut.
Starting to get in the way of his vision.
Left hand. Sends it.
Mula sa isang mabilis na kombinasyon ang muling nagpabagsak sa Amerikano. Sa kabila ng mga knockdowns, ipinakita rin ni Cunningham ang kanyang tapang.
Cannot keep taking these knockdowns.
This first round.
He's not going to get out if he keeps taking them.
This is a big first round for
Joseph Ambrose definitely is winning the round right now with
the
these
Scorpion
knockdowns and
is
the cut.
striking at all.
Willing to take his time, knowing that the left hook is working for him, setting it up.
Ambo is shifting
Good
his
left
distance
hook
up and
by
down.
Darren.
Joseph is rushing in
Now
with his
Darren on
hand.
that jab. Oh. Good left hook
Up and
by
down.
Darren.
Joseph is rushing in.
Darren keeps leaving himself open. Darren has to keep that right hand out. Right hand. He's got to pick that right hand up.
The cut has got
Check the cut.
check it. To check it.
But it's made for an amazing fight.
It has a lot of drama.
we asked for blood and we got it.
This is huge.
Another left hook by Joseph. Mr.
crowd is so into
DC3,
this.
please pick your right hand up and keep it right above your temple because Joseph is throwing that left
Another
hook
left hand
with bad
landed.
intentions.
Another left hand.
The Scorpion
Now a
is
right.
striking like.
Sa ikalawang round, matapos makarecover, sinubukang bumawi ng Amerikano.
Good jab. I mean, he's behind. Oh. So much torque into these punches. Oh my
body
God.
shot by
Oh, even the jab.
Oh, and he got under that one.
left hook.
Finally changed
Oh,
levels.
wow.
But he didn't do it there. And he got caught with the
Lord.
left.
Lord,
I
Ambrose
cannot believe the adversity that's being shown.
in this fight.
It has a lot of
I mean,
drama.
we asked for blood and we got
Gentlemen,
it.
this place is literally shaking.
Looks like Joseph Ambrose is slowing going down.
Big left hook by Darren.
I think I've counted like 3 or 4 headbutts already in this fight.
Cunningham looks like he's got his head together, and he's being a bitterman. He's trying his best. Good left hook by
Beautiful left.
This is showing what he's made of. It's showing what he's made of. Good jab to the body. Question is, does he have enough to continue to do what he was doing? Because he had major success in that first round.
I'll tell you what.
Oh my God! That would hurt him. Not again.
Subalit sa gitna ng kanyang mabilis na galaw, muling pinadapa ni Ambo si Cunningham gamit ang isang matinding kombinasyon.
That he hadn't been hurt yet up until this point.
Yo, this man's heart is so big.
Fight.
Hold him, Darren, hold him. Lord.
He's gonna escape.
For live chatter saying that Darren needs at least a knockdown. Hold him. Lord.
He's gonna escape.
For live chatter saying that Darren needs at least a knockdown.
I think
Tumayo pang muli ang Amerikano at ipinakita ang kanyang tibay, habang todo sigawan ang mga fans sa bawat suntok na tumatama.
Are you changing the levels?
And let me tell you, he's still throwing that left hook really hard with a 1-2.
Darren needs to throw some rights.
Jab to the body, scores.
Darren digging into the body.
Darren blocking the hand up. 1-2. Ambo still walking forward, ladies and gentlemen. Darren works his way in.
got
left
caught with
hook.
the overhand. Up with it, did Ambo.
Ambo's is the third
Body shot. That right hand hurt. Right hand hurt.
Yeah, that hurt him, but he's probably got to go back there.
Yo, lucky that Darren is keeping that right hand up now, man.
another body shot
with the left hand, and he evades the jab.
It makes the sweet science look easy when he does that.
Yeah.
Still attacking, but not throwing enough, missing wildly at the end of this round. Waiting.
Sa ikalimang round, tila naka-adjust na si Cunningham at mas agresibo itong umatake.
He's got to push his man back. It's just the bottom line.
Good.
Darren, good jab on there by Darren. But he's got to, but let me tell you the score. Oh my God!
No, that's what I'm saying.
Darren, good jab on there by Darren. But he's got to, but let me tell you the score. Oh my God!
Maingay na ang kanyang mga fans, umasang mapabagsak niya ang ating Pinoy. Sa ikapitong round, buong lakas na sumugod si Cunningham sa pag-asang makabawi. Todo suporta ang kanyang mga fans, ngunit matibay talaga si Ambo. Sa kabila ng matitinding palitan ng suntok, hindi na tinag ang Pinoy at nagawang sabayan ang Amerikanong boksingero sa harap ng mga fans nito.
This is the 8th and final round.
Lord, it's the last round. And maybe needs a stoppage to get the win.
I think he might.
Oh, hell of a check.
Wants to win, and it's the
Very slick, slipping under that shot. Scorpion has to let his hands go.
Slip.
definitely a slip, but I think it's also part of the cage. Yeah.
He looked keeping that look like it was DC misses him. Back in.
Slipping under that shot. Scorpion has to let his hands go to win this fight.
Still attacking, but not throwing enough, missing wildly at the end of this.
Matapos ang matinding laban, nagwagi si Joseph Ambo sa pamamagitan ng unanimous decision at itinanghal bilang North American Boxing Federation Junior Bantamweight Champion. Hindi akalain ng magamang Mayweather na ang isang payat na Pilipino ang magiging unang boksingerong tatalo sa kanilang pambato. Kung saan natalo pa ito ng $2 milyong. Tungkol sa ipinakitang tapang ni Ambo, talakayin natin sa baba. Huwag kalimutang banggitin ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung saan na umabot ang ating video.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.